school teaches algebra, chemistry, history, but not how to make money. Why? Think about it. Most students graduate knowing how to solve equations, but they don't know how taxes work, how investing works, or how businesses make money. And yet money affects almost every decision in adult life. So why doesn't school teach it? Follow if you're interested. The education system was designed during the industrial age. Back then, the goal wasn't to create entrepreneurs. The goal was to create reliable workers. Factories needed people who followed instructions, arrived on time, did repetitive work, so schools were designed to train those behaviors. That's why schools reward memorization, obedience, test performance, but they rarely teach negotiation, entrepreneurship, investing, and financial independence. This doesn't mean school is useless, it means you must learn money skills outside school. Today, those skills are available everywhere: books, internet, mentors. The real question is not why school doesn't teach money. The real question is, will you learn it yourself?